Hey guys, it's Anastasia, and today we're going to talk about the main question words in Russian. You need to ask questions, right? To know everything about your date, please. So, let's start from the question who. Кто. Кто. Кто ты? Кто я? Кто он? Кто это сделал? And if you want to say no one, you say Никто. Никто. Где? Where? Где? Где бар? Где отель? Где я? That can happen in Russia after bar and hotel and whatever you go, wherever you go to. And if the situation is really bad, then the answer is Нигде. Когда? Когда мы встретимся? The bad answer will be Никогда. You don't want to hear that. So try harder. Когда мы ужинаем? Когда уже? That's like when you're really irritated that something's not happening or your girlfriend's not coming and she's still doing her makeup and stuff. So yeah, когда уже? That's what you ask. Another important one is how much, or like how many. Сколько? Сколько стоит? Сколько людей? Сколько вас? Нисколько. Во сколько? This one's a little bit different. It's like how much time, but it doesn't really mean how much time. It means at what time. Во сколько? Во сколько мы встретимся? We learned that one in the previous video. I hope you used it already and you got your date. Во сколько мы встретимся? Во сколько концерт? Во сколько ужин? The answer to this one, if it's not at any time, it's just not happening, there won't be ни во сколько, which is possible to say, but the better one is Никогда. The same with когда, Никогда. Yeah, we don't have a special one for во сколько. The next one is what. What? Что? Что это? Что ты сделал? Terrible one. Что случилось? You will ask this question if somebody is looking bad or sad or something's wrong. You will say что случилось? That will mean that you care, and it's not like American how are you? It's like real what happened and tell me please. And then if he answers you nothing happened, he'll say Ничего. Ничего не случилось. And then start crying. We have two left. One is как. How? Как дела? How are you? Как дела? Как это сделать? Как доехать? Никак. Sad situation. Никак. Какой? Какой? Какой отель? Какой бар? Никакой. Like somebody asking you, в какой бар мы пойдем? Which bar are we going to? And you being super rude and you say Никакой, which means we are not going to any bar, but just one word, which makes it extremely rude. Какой is kind of like an adjective, so it changes genders again. Какой, masculine. Какая, Какое, Какие. It changes depending on the noun that you're talking about. Okay guys, I hope that now you know how to ask some questions, and go on, ask your Russian friends everything you want to know about them. You can post some stupid questions in the comments so somebody clicks likes on them and it's funny. I guess that's what YouTube is for. And if you have any questions, you can always put them down in comments too. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're having fun. And please don't forget that Russian should be fun. Goodbye guys.